Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas is facing a growing ethics scandal.
He's accused of accepting luxury trips for 2 decades without reporting them on financial disclosure forms. Those trips were funded by real estate billionaire and Texas Republican mega donor Harlan Crow. Crow denies seeking to influence Supreme Court decisions. Quan Alex and Charles Adams offer their take on Fox Faceoff.
Charles, there have been some shocking revelations in regards to United States Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas. We call him Uncle Ruckus. But Clarence Thomas, this man, has been taking favors from a quote-unquote friend of his out of Dallas, a billionaire. And he has been financing Supreme Court Justice Thomas vacations, financing him to stay at some of the most fanciest living arrangement, hotels, suites, getaways, using the man's private jets. But yet all of this and more that has come out, and he has not even apologized for it, but it just goes to show the level of corruption and where it has reached in America, all the way to the highest, most powerful court in this country has now been financially corrupted by a so-called black man, Clarence Thomas, because he ain't black. But that sellout brother has now done some things. That man should not only resign, he should apologize and cleanse the office that he sits.
Just because you disagree with Justice Thomas's ideologies doesn't mean he's robbed of his ethnicity. What a disgusting comment.
Oh, he's a sellout to the bone.
But more
he's
importantly,
a bootlicking, handkerchief Negro sellout to the bone.
That he didn't have a relationship with Harlan Crow before he ascended to the highest court, and him going on these vacations, I think it's disgusting. I think it's corruption. I think it's probably allowed by the very lackadaisical rules, the very loose rules for Supreme Court justices, and I don't think anything will happen, because I think a bunch of justices has engaged in similar behavior. But I'd like to point out the difference in the news coverage. Joe Biden, him and his family just went to St. Croix for the umpteenth time to stay at a private resort with a billionaire, and what did the news do? Well, they fawned all over Joe Biden's trip. Or a few months ago, Joe Biden went to another billionaire's home in the Carolinas to have a beach vacation, and no one talks about that. It's not a problem, right? The Biden family's filled with corruption, and this isn't whataboutism, because I think Clarence Thomas should be held to account for it, but damn it, Joe Biden should be too, and all of our government. Well, what we see from the media is when a conservative does something, oh my God, it's the end of the world. When Joe Biden goes to St. Croix to hang out on a private resort, everybody, oh, Joe's and his family having a great, his family of crackheads are having a great time.
But Charles,
on an island with a billionaire.
Charles, on Faceoff,
they're all corrupt.
On Faceoff, that's not what we do. On Faceoff, we point it out regardless of Republican or Democrat. That's why I believe the American people must wake up. Their country has been stolen from them, and I've been saying this for years on this show, that the economic powers of this country have stolen the country from the American people.
Bought and paid for.
And it just goes to show, when the Supreme Court is corrupted, we ain't got no hope.
But the thing is, we need Republicans held to this standard that they're held to by the media, but we also need the Democrats held to the same damn standard. No, that's the issue.
What we need is a cleansing and a third party. That's what we need.
You can watch much more of Face Off, streaming Friday nights at 6:30. Just go to fox26houston.com.